Breathing techniques are simple yet powerful tools for managing anxiety and restoring a sense of calm. By focusing on your breath, you can interrupt the cycle of anxious thoughts and activate your body's relaxation response. Here's how to use breathing techniques effectively to reduce anxiety. Begin by finding a quiet, comfortable place where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable doing so, and take a moment to notice your natural breathing without trying to change it. One effective technique is deep belly breathing, also known as diaphragmatic breathing. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. Inhale slowly through your nose, allowing your abdomen to rise while keeping your chest relatively still. Exhale gently through your mouth, feeling your abdomen fall. Aim for a slow, steady rhythm, perhaps counting to 4 as you inhale and 4 as you exhale. Repeat this process for several minutes, focusing your attention on the movement of your breath. Another helpful method is box breathing. Inhale through your nose for a count of 4, hold your breath for a count of 4, exhale through your mouth for a count of 4, and then pause for another count of 4 before inhaling again. Continue this cycle for a few minutes, letting each phase be smooth and unforced. If your mind starts to wander or anxious thoughts arise, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Remind yourself that it's normal for thoughts to come and go. The goal is simply to return your attention to the present moment. Practicing these techniques regularly, even just a few minutes each day, can help train your body and mind to respond more calmly in stressful situations. Over time, you may find it easier to manage anxiety and regain control when you start to feel overwhelmed.